ebushon for aha Ghana SMTVGH, message like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. Ebushon for. I mean, beside MPP for assembly. Maybe so. Meaning pass NPP air tradition. Now MPP in party no, it has metamorphosed over time from UGCC all through to UP PPP up to now. Now we have MPP. Now the people who started the party are the Omaye Akwanchrebi. Go for Pacho Mamoye Pinifo no. Se munim hu bibia. Pacho mo ka kire ye why. Nka kire me particularly in your comment section. Throughout party no, you people who were able to see even the party when Rollins Omanpeni before 1992 nyina no. The people who form MPP, and I say the people who were part of that whole generation, were they are they now? The reason I'm asking this is because I say who share MPP party now, automatically some group of people and a boom, a joining boom. What me say microphone na ombeye MPP for no. Even grassroots for kwadodo na omadwumudo. Yeah. Now, free grassroots no can call executives nima. Most of the time you can see most of them are professionals. Or you're a doctor, or you're a doctor, or you're engineer, or you're engineer, or you're a lawyer, or you're a lawyer, or you're a businessman, or you're a businessman, or you're a businesswoman, or you're a businesswoman, etc. Or you're a driver, or you're a driver. And sometimes it's shocking me say, just one party, okay, can group all these people. Adhere to one side, say. Now the other party no there, the same thing cannot be said. Something must be something MPP for be a my baby or baby. I say you have made, I don't know, but because me I'm thinking about the whole thing physically, no, it does not make sense to me. It does not. So when Jane there, go and look at Parliament right now. MPP was NIPA 87, and yes sir. NIPA 87 no. Baku say Krampo ni ho wait make say papa we dey sankwas. I say mami we sankwas. Debi. Omu nyina they up their game. To the extent say nkrofo amu ye over 180 to make say. Eye nkrofo amu ye 87 omu bully omu Parliament. Now the reason I'm maybe saying this is because I'm sure I was so is for they will demand for another by-election. Me na catch them. I'm sure I was so east. They will ask for another by-election because from reports, almost see my mistake. I was so east for see my mistake. Say omu ntuma MPP Krampo anka omu ne maka mbeto ama independent candidate. Adentia almost see omu MP. Why you obetumi aye bia say o person MP nti o chiche television o maska o chiche kwesiani meko and all election days on share sika sa no IFN Baba Jamal no Baba Jamal ni first day our parliament and I could die ni first day of parliament o enya swear ni impe papa satisoda wa bre na are end this for parliament munu say dey na cause wo parliament enya ye no keke o debut enya dwuma sa e ka parliament a place that there are a lot of activities, committee meetings, subcommittee meetings. Before you come into the main house. And you need to do a lot of learning across all fields. Because legislation be about me about anytime. Anything for entertainment and say fanfareism. Now, what to make call Parliament? First day of Parliament, we are fresh. And already, remember, I said Parliament, it has existed for over 1 year, 3 months now. And you have lost a lot of things that you need to be updated on. Who better? Bia boko die. Kamali. Minister Nene. Hey, NDC. Let's go and listen to this conversation. But before then, we are opening our studio, our whole water region. Total cost near 25,000 Ghana cedis. So they call dollars more around 2,300 US dollars. Why? Number on the screen I say, I say. Now let's listen to this.
Lenono.
Look at that. Investigating.
This as a man, I am not a can. I'm sure you are welcome over to. And this ancestors come as na anyaka for welcome over to because at that way you be a nyanse biani. At that way you be a ntasi biani. Just say chronobo. Every seminar and every seminar upon my dreamer. Once no one point you the Ghanaians will have something to say about it. In the plan in the Yempo, that open hotel ma no either work on him for a years can. Your brand like Dell, your HP, your Esa. One time, in fact, American product Lenovo Crown or established brand in Nima. Yeah. Because them companies, they are already existing on the market. If you contract them, because of their mass production, they have the potential to rather reduce the price for you because they are already into commercial production of such things. And you give them your specification and then already, because they are already existing, they are on the market. Into someone pay away a baby mama, you won't spend much already. Now, I don't know why you're on idea at the specification in the boko, no question why you are. But because you are also procuring all of these things in large quantities, there are discounts for such buying. Now, so chronobonti and two. Most of these established companies, you can't go and engage in shady deals with them. Because, so America, abandoning your word, tax revenue expect from when you are word today, a shady deal could say, Asamaba, it will affect even the brand. Inti say wia na yepere ye wie dia yakọ na wonji hene wi sam no ntu nti dam dia yen hye ye no ho yen bundem anofa 3 days yen kwaye company na company was offer ne lo no na nya enkan no wo na lo Lenono na me se kwaye na me laptop no
Lenovo no but omo de no mo anya ni vo omo ye NO enti Lenono
na demo company needs no asan credit nai laptop no fin cry abai no
and the laptop fifin go pram
chronobo ewinti in the laptop no every chronobonti in there. The whole world Ghana penny use laptop over no.
Hey. I can't afford to do a margin home.
Ghana ya bro. Every in a chronobonti in the whole world Ghana penny use brand over no. In a bako, no. Na the jungle is in. NDC. Okay, what do we give it?
We bet I do away and one thing. In the back no says Lady C.
Okay.
Dantes.
Mr. Baba Jama picture, be sure there's a mystery.
Now Mark will say, what do you say? No, Baba Jama.
My first day at work, no,
at work. Or do one or die. Yes, when in we are not die. Mark will say, man, they go on money. Baba Jama, so I know yes, when in we are. What's not parliament was a month. Yeah, Dio. NDC.
No, what's it? What are you?
No, a day I saw you do a parliament.
What does say?
At least you may impress a crown. No,
I agree. Ladies,
was a man, the service.
I'm at this point in my breath.
Sister, Messi,
Allow cash out in so time into Mummy and them now. Bye, meet you, Lady C.
Sister, oh,
Lady C,
Sister,
me too, Casa.
my bedna me pacha mo in custom.
Emergency conflict levy. Na just put prove mu akon eto. Anya ka me feel.
And one wakam.
Put prove na free hene.
If Iran Israel ne US.
If me say ya se beyem. Ana if me ni atadu twua ebo. Oh, ukaka say ya ubenya jimifo bi tuwa mabeka kire wo say umu ade. But what is good for the bull is good for ganja.
Ganja.
Last time no ekufo ado abreso no eno de na woye nipa bonini na woye wudini na woye Nebukadnezar because eye Russia Ukraine war no bomb na omoto ye no ebi a meto Ghana me be se me busa Professor Jampo say nese eni ni fie bomb ni bia beto no mu free Iran na yes ekuya I will be hard on him because here yentina oman ni mo hu na ye enye hwe mo kasentiam penimfo mo nye say what are you talking about? Give us a break. Wo e can say COVID-19
Kuya mpacho dropping me why?
COVID-19 pandemic esi ye no erukwe ewiase ekuya ewiase nyina ha wo ewiase nyina mani o asemi nyansunsan so wo ewiase nyina all the international bodies were complaining no mu hunu kotokuya no mfa krawa enhyemu emma omeyi bi kaenia ko simpempenso se na e wose ye breaking schools ye breaking asoria hodo ye breaking nyumakuya hodo ye breaking most of government institution you closing it down said ye be ya ye betimi abo enipa ho bai then president yewura nyansafo nim defo ekufo ado kan say oman no sikasem oman na dwumasem atete pansam a ewu a edane butu a ye nim kwaefa so a ye betumi enyane no adane danam na say gina na so biem na emom se onipa ba akompo hwere ne nkwa ye nwuru kwaefa so a betumi abomode apaja say nipa ne sa na gina ho no mu biem ene sa na betie dia ye momode na ye mo oman no emufo ho bai eti ene me omampanini me nyuma wodo na wonyina na se nyuma ewra ne andamia metuo mu kan nyina no montena fie etua mu ka almost 1 good year ekuya anso ho a ye wie ye no wosan so afidi the vulnerables including ene enkophobia omanya no ekasa o wie ye no esan etua eye adwumayefo no a omo wo aban no mu no eka every year no so nurse for doctor for any health workers ne omo nyina so no yes so increase salaries sir omo risky omo life e di eye adwuma owie ne ehunu se oman no akua anso o wasan so e the water any light am I free am I enjoy about almost 6 months as a saying owie ne ehunu sa fe oman no bia kwakoduro no sa ban anya hu bibia e betime de how aba enti yenua no mo free amanone e ba ne ho keka ho no o ba ene e wo say ye giwo some ayika credit abo enu this forensic boy ye mu ne ye ti kwapai ade ya sabi tontuma kosi wo mo ntohwe ho ekwa woni ntohwe good tontuma kosi wo mo ntohwe ebe nya akoya wa yiri te kotokuo a ya chechira anu yi asa Lufthansa enya engine fault we mu Sam George enya okuje to blocker yenya sabi jenfi yenya boja jenfi yenya Kofi Oduro eni wona ka wonyi nero sorry tia o mema sebi enipa ka bia ma nipa bi so keka bi so kura no a ya nya woni nipa bi papa bi e wo Ghana ha ma na keka bia ma na haye ya nya dua bia mu ama na mo yesa kwa abofre ya nya nyansani betumi akasa ama an haye nse eye akwa we kum chacha e kasa tia eye akufuado yo eti actually COVID-19 no e ba ye N0T no I did cover tax a buyer no. Said a buyer on minus sika washere or minus brawa brewa near my way in our no, or bet me that son no, Musi and yet maybe Sase a year Iran, American, then the Aquana or more air corner, and soon swap bay and a enya our Ghana. Well, how bay and a Yabra Ghana, a queer maybe South Flaster House, a jatum. Baby sase a school for bay na school mu or akona abawo mu ama yakasa chafo so omu kwatena fie hospital bay and this is as money ama yakasa sa hospital by for kwatena fie ana say ya close schools are government workers are you say I need to emergency conflict levies tax so say dey aba ye tia dey ma hwan me this time around no I need more explanation than to say who the man why ye dey bedi djuma bay e be boa wan when the benya so
for Professor Jampo on no officer
we fopi nipa o ho bia wo mo e dey sa emergency conflict tax was na bina ba no o mo ye fopi ye do I say Ghana quite say ye ni penini bia ayasa me bro no amiti so yi penini bia nim nyansani bia nim eto obi so no tena se de be ba be sine tiri mu bia no na won de mananka anya enkwase asam ni apotisam ni ahisam na ahia anka be nya eye communication and digitalization minister be ka kire yen se wakofa Lenono said de abraya 124,000 den na yet wo yo bian kan wo hwe ye musa wo nsam hwe oh these are some of the things and can expect to say our general secretary will come by now press conference and can ensure kan miensa na san esu but we are mute we have become toothless dog we have become cowards ya keke ye nua hye nanta mu sebi ye mema nyina adwojo ama ye ntohwe nyina moamoa ye ntimi nkasa enyansafo wo henefa enyansafo komo no tum yenya obi ma ne mekasa ensam ye keke an ye brusu nyina ensira ne aseda enka woni pa ode TikTok baaye yenso yenya nyansafo bi se akua da koamo ene ama Williams mu so Dantes mu oga wuli mu eno akeka ho ye mu biye benya so chefa ene Mr Marcus mu a awrade adum nim de ne kenkan so wutimi kenkan mai se ye ne a ni bi client min kan bi yesu yeti ase bi enka hwan enka betie ena etiwo ena obi aka na no atum because enkofo ma yenka wo basem es endra ne san kofo we say kro yai ena na asuja egu abai bi a wo twam echemu sabre no kwa ne nsunsanso no enye se ba akofo na nane abrewa o na akofo hawo e de aba ewiase nyi ekua de ne eka ne eka ewiase nyina o me ebusa you run American then kind of things dokwa no ekua yale COVID-19 ana HIV ntobro chicken pox kompo kaka ɛyɛ mutuo
Yeah,
ɛyɛ nkwasiasɛm pii sɛ ɛdwem na sɛ so one control ho ho ebi obɛka kyerɛ sɛ bia wano ɛnyɛ sɛ bia no asɛm ne bɔ no ma ɛɛtae ɛɛbufu ɛɛhi ba ɔde akua sɛdeɛ ɛyɛ Mr. Marcus ne ɛyɛ eminua adu so no mo mete ne nka kyɛ paa wɔ afidie so ne waba no ma memfa me brand aka no ɛma wɔ mo nto aso.
okay, Kubi, why are dear? As Wama Edu Solomon, Wama ne back pass. Edu,
Sister Kia.
Net
Yamia Dumo. I'm so me ba ha che.
no, I ask some more. Was a for doors on Aqua Nina so, intimate as
Yeah. Na we dey head mistress na ye chasing no. Aguna swedura na say
yeah.
Emphasis sweduru.
Why?
NDC maame na ono no waso MP na waso re agina na wo pamo sa maame no.
Now, me question is since when na NDC for most started some more senior high schools. What they are public toilet? What public toilet won't talk on moko? It is since when the NDC constituency is free. Executive for ne full soldiers. Most started some more senior high school. Really?
Administrative.
This is out of character for the typical NDC. Trust me, NDC for where they are totally out of character. Because mo dey any more for ya to office we mu ya ko seize public toilet we e no ne yanim se mo ye madwuma no na we ya mu chase se mo ko senior high school no edu twaso because at this point I just don't understand my people.
Edu Solomon we dey Mr. Wanka for kakre bi mame na swedro no me mama information kakra bi about the composition of the school management board NDC for pese omode nyasakwa bi so pamo maame no ekwa o dia Mr. I'm just using 1 minute we adwam na topic no